you are getting a first look at a brand new floor plan with Riverside Homes. This model home is located in Mariposa and Everrange, and we're gonna see all the features it has. Now, typically, they don't release a lot of new floor plans, so we're super excited about this one, and I think that it gives some really good features that are super helpful. I will be honest with you, the primary is on the first floor. So let's walk through this beautiful property and see, one, I'll show you some of my favorite items, but also how beautiful this floor plan is. And it's also available in Nocatee with the lots that they have left. Let's go see the Atlas. Now this floor plan has some different options that you can add and subtract to the floor plan to fit your family's needs. Do you want to go see it? I know, I've already teased you guys, come on. Now, right off the bat, I really love this floor plan because it kind of reminds me a little bit of the Liberty. If you guys have seen my previous floor plan with Riverside Homes, I think they did a beautiful job with it. The only miss I typically hear is they wish they had a bedroom on the first floor. Well, you asked and they listened. So this does have a half bath right here. I love the location of this because it's right by the front door. So when the kiddos are playing outside and they're playing in the front yard, you don't have to worry about anyone tracking anything in. And you know, with kids, they track everything in. And I don't even have to mention this, but there's a lot of natural light because what do I love? Sarah?
Natural light.
There we go. I love my natural light and Riverside always does an amazing job with it, but I'm actually here to talk about the orientation of this kitchen because I absolutely love it. I don't know how you guys are, but I love entertaining when I can, when I have time, when I'm not making videos for you guys. But the way that this is here, come with me. So the way that I could see out while I'm also hosting, I absolutely love that feature. And then also it's kind of like a built-in table at the same time because I'd love to just like, it feels like a hibachi table, just feed your kids that plate and just keep going while also being still sleek and stylish. And of course, you know, I love the cabinets going to the ceiling. I'm not gonna stop doing it. I'm so sorry that your wife is going to ask for it, but it's beautiful. It's a great choice. You should do it.
And
oh, yeah, Sarah's right. There is one more favorite that I have that Riverside has. Soft close. It's worth it, worth the upgrade, because honestly, my kids slam things all the time. Another feature I like is this space over here. Now, this could be completely closed off or it could remain open. So they've kind of made it into a little bit of a game room. And of course there's Monopoly because why not? But I'm a huge fan of Monopoly. If you guys haven't caught on to that or seen the videos where I've talked about how I love Monopoly. Okay, detour. But these could be closed in, so you could have that extra office space downstairs as well, or maybe have a flex bedroom where it could have that, like a Murphy bed unit in it, where it could be like an entertainment room, game room, or something like that, while at the same time having the opportunity, but you still have your bonus room that's upstairs, and your primary being downstairs. Let's go check it out. And I'm 5'3", so it's so hard to show you guys how tall the ceilings are. But Riverside does such a good job about keeping the ceilings high, keeping everything open and bright, and of course, that natural light coming from those beautiful windows as well. You can't get enough of it. And I love like they're just design touches that they have and that they also offer for you guys, but their model homes, they definitely knock it out of the park out of all of them. One feature I didn't even get to highlight at all because I'm short. And also, by the way, Sarah's here.
hi.
She's actually in the background of all my things. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you'll find more of her in our videos together. But look up. Hold on. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm gonna take you guys all the way up. Whoop. I'm a sucker for high ceilings, but never in my life will I be able to change the light bulb. Because one, I'm scared of heights. That's why God stopped me at 5'3". And also, I don't even think on a ladder I'd be able to reach it. Let's go upstairs. So second floor favorite features. You have this flex space that almost feels like a kid's club because of where it is located. And also I love this ensuite that you have. So they have your bedroom, natural light, and then you also have a full bath. So your older kids can take advantage of that. Or maybe if you have a guest staying over, this could be a guest suite to keep it private for them, because you also do have your bathrooms and then your 2 bedrooms right here. And I actually like that no bedrooms are sharing a wall. Did you notice that? I hate when I have my kids banging on each other's walls. That's why my son is now upstairs. My daughter stays downstairs, but I share a wall with her in my office. But that's okay, we'll survive. Now, the Atlas is a brand new floor plan, and there's multiple to choose from here in Everrange and also just with Riverside Homes in general. They're an amazing builder I've worked with multiple times, and they just do a fabulous job and knock it out of the park. And the customer satisfaction has been a 10 out of 10, maybe I would even say a 12 out of 10. It's absolutely amazing, and they have some amazing people here in Everrange and Mariposa. You can meet my girl Cindy. She is fabulous. She'll take great care of you, and we'll negotiate an amazing deal for you as well. But not only is this one of multiple builders, but also this is one neighborhood out of thousands of neighborhoods here in Northeast Florida. I'm not kidding you, there probably is thousands of neighborhoods here in Northeast Florida. Whether you're looking for no HOA or an HOA, a CDD community, whatever you're looking for, I would love to be your guide. My name is Demi Judd. I will give you all the tea on Northeast Florida as a local herself. And also I happen to help you find home here as well and build your roots here. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do that walkthrough tour that I promised you guys. It's a beautiful home. Let's go. This is the Atlas floor plan. Now, this is a brand new floor plan with Riverside Homes. They did make a slight introduction to this floor plan in Nocatee, but this is going to be at the hub and everything that you see there in Mariposa. Now, the main reason is this is just under $600,000. This is a 4-bedroom that could be a 2 or 3 full bath with 1 half bath. It ranges a little over 2,100 square feet, and this floor plan is very ideally functional. It reminds me a lot of that Liberty model, but being able to have the primary downstairs. And because you're downstairs, thank God the washer and dryer is there as well. So just the kids have to be running them up and down, but that's what they're there for, right? Look at this beautiful view. This is such an open concept, which is one of the things I loved about the Liberty, and so I'm so glad they were able to implement it in this floor plan as well. And you guys know I'm a sucker for the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, but this additional cabana room is such a good idea. One, it could be closed in as an office, but I think like it staying open just because it keeps the floor plan flowing really well and not feeling as tight either. And of course, they're always amazing at always making sure natural light is coming in. Now, all these windows are not included, but we could talk more in detail about that when you guys come to the model and see this in person with me. Here we are at the primary. The only thing different I think I would have done with this model is probably add an accent wall behind that area. This closet is asking, honestly, to have someone put some shelves in. Someone do something with that. Oh. I always love this shot that I get to give you guys when I get to walk all the way through to see all that natural light coming in from the primary. Now, while we go upstairs, let me tell you a little bit about this Mariposa neighborhood. Now, this is located in Everrange, like we spoke about before, but I wanted to give a little bit more information because I feel like no one really knows what's going on with Mariposa, but there's so many opportunities in this neighborhood, especially if you got priced out at the Nocatees and maybe you're planning to homeschool. This is a really great location. Now, since we're talking about homeschooling in schools, let's just jump right into it. Right now, Mariposa, although in the future they would like to have their own schools because that's what the park group loves to do, there are 3 schools that they are zoned for, which is Bartram Springs Elementary, you have Twin Lakes Academy, and then you also have Atlantic Coast High School. Now, they sound a little bit different than ones that we've talked about before. That's because Mariposa is located in Duval County, but right on the edge, honestly, of Duval and St. Johns County. And if you talk to other people who are right there, even in the Duval County line and Nocatee, they've had great experiences. So I say, honestly, interview the schools. Yes, the school district is very important, but I'll let you know there's a huge gray area. And if you guys haven't heard when I talk a little bit more in detail about that, I have another video coming out soon because it's such a big question. I mean, it's a big deal. We're moving for our kiddos. We're making sure they're taken care of. And so it's always a hot topic I love to help educate families on and also give them a little bit of peace of mind as well. Every detail. They think of everything, right? I absolutely love this builder, but that's not what this video is all about. It's honestly to help you find your little piece of Monopoly here in Northeast Florida. Hi, my name is Demi Judd. I'm a local born and raised in the area, and I truly put my heart and soul into everything I do. And your family is the main focus, making sure that they find the right home, not only the right builder, but also the right neighborhood. And so if you're really at a crossroads of depending on which one's perfect for you, let's get together, whether it be a phone call, a Zoom call, or even possibly having a discovery tour where I actually tour you around my hometown. And I show you all these different neighborhoods that are opportunities for you to take a hold of and find the perfect neighborhood for your family. Because there's some that are absolutely perfect, and there's some you may have thought were perfect and maybe didn't check all the boxes, but maybe another one does. And of course, learning from a local is also a little bit of help too. But until next time, my name is Demi Judd, and if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe so you stay up to date on all the tea on Northeast Florida and St. Johns County. I'll see you guys in the next video.